Sometimes silence isn't a retreat, it's a strategy. But when does silence serve justice and when does it hide the truth? Jacob Yafai, former Deputy Finance Secretary, is facing 4 counts of misappropriation involving over 41.88 million Kina paid to Paul Paraka lawyers between 2012 and 2013. During a recent court session, Chief Justice Sir Gibbs Salika ruled that the court could not yet consider the no-case submission filed by Yafi's lawyer, Edward Sasingian, because the defense has not presented any witnesses. The trial will resume on June 2nd, with the defense expected to decide whether to call witnesses, although Yafai has already signaled he may remain silent. This is more than just a courtroom decision. It's a window into the process of justice. In any trial, both prosecution and defense must present evidence before a verdict can be fairly considered. By highlighting that only the state's case has been heard so far, the Chief Justice is upholding the principle that justice must be balanced, not rushed. Yafai's choice to remain silent is legally his right. And in the eyes of the law, silence does not equal guilt. However, in the public's eye, especially in high-profile corruption cases, silence can raise even more questions. This case ties back to one of Papua New Guinea's most notorious financial scandals, and its outcome will influence how the country views justice, leadership, and accountability going forward. Should leaders facing public corruption charges speak out to defend themselves, or is silence more powerful? What does justice mean in a country still fighting to restore trust in public office? How do we ensure that legal systems are not just fair, but also seen to be fair by the people? It's easy to be frustrated by delays, technicalities, and silence in court cases like these. But what's harder and more necessary is to remain vigilant, patient, and informed. Whether Yafai speaks or not, the truth must eventually speak for itself. And we, as citizens, must remain alert not just for outcomes but for the processes that produce them. Because if we want a fairer society, we must be willing to watch closely, ask hard questions, and expect better from our institutions. Papua New Guinea has been shaken by many scandals, but that doesn't mean we're broken. Every challenge to truth is a chance to refine our systems. Every shadow cast by silence is an invitation to shine light. You don't need to hold a government title to fight corruption. You just need the courage to care, to question, and to speak when it counts. This trial is not just about one man. It's about all of us, and what we allow, accept, or demand from those in power. So whether you're a student, a worker, or a leader, remember this. Silence may be powerful, but your voice, your integrity, and your commitment to truth are even more powerful. Thank you for joining us today. At Kepcha Motivation, we believe in transforming everyday moments into purposeful narratives to elevate your perspective. If you found value in this video, please like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more transformative content.